The OLI app helps you monitor all of your hoist's important data in real time. So, let's go through the step-by-step setup. You only need your mobile device, the wireless key, and access to your hoist monitor to get started. Let's take a look at the wireless key. There are 9 dip switches on the key in one row, and 1 dip switch that is by itself. The set of 9 dip switches should be in the down, or 0 position. The single dip switch should be in the up, or 1 position. First, take the wireless key and connect it to your hoist monitor like this. Then, close the panel. Now, your wireless key is ready to transmit your data. Next, let's get the OLI app downloaded on your phone. This process is very similar on both Android and iOS devices. Look for your Google Play app if you have an Android device, and your App Store app if you have iOS. Open the app. Then, type in R&M, OLI, or overhead lifting information. It will appear with either keyword. Hit the free download button. Once the app is downloaded, find it on your home screen. Click to open it. On this first screen, press Connect. The app will automatically start scanning for your hoist. Once it finds your hoist, select it. Now, you have access to all of your hoist's conditions, usage, and notable events. You can also export your data so you can email it or print it out. For example, let's click Conditions. Here, you can scroll and see the real-time conditions and the remaining amount of designed working period of each key component. Use this to help better predict your maintenance schedule and keep any downtime to a minimum. R&M, helping you rise above the competition.